What's going on, guys? It's your boy Goodies here, or Gabriel, whatever you guys want to call me. This is a different type of video, it's IRL. Today we're going to be washing and driving. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my 2011 135i. I believe it's Alpine White with the coral red interior. And like I said, N55. It's got an intake, CATLESS downpipe, upgraded charge pipe. I put spacers on it to make it look a little bit cleaner. I did the spoiler lip M4 style and the 1M style front bumper with the black kidney grills. They are just matte black, like unpainted, but they still look good. Yeah, I got my foam cannon ready, power washer, some brake cleaner, and all the other stuff. Let me get this out of the sun. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little wash of the car, and then hopefully we can fire it up with the mic and do some driving with exhaust audio so you guys can get a feel of what it sounds like. It's not the fastest thing in the world. I have a stage 2, not stage 2 plus, just stage 2, and it sounds really good. Regular OEM burbles, and yeah, stock muffler. That's pretty much it. I don't think I've done anything else to it. Oh, and I did the Muscleman oil filter housing, cooler, whatever. A lot of words for that, but anyways, let's see how this goes. Alright, well guys, car's clean. This is the next day already, fully dried off. So this is just gonna do a quick little walk around of the car. Yeah, coral red interiors. Came with the dog. No, I didn't. I don't have any floor mats right now, but M Sport, I changed out the button right there from black to red. Just goes with the red in the car. Dual clutch transmission. I have the iDrive system. That screen is all messed up. You'll probably see it when I'm driving around. But yeah, it's on stock suspension, but it's already pretty low. Stock wheels. I just put spacers on it. I also did the, like I said, the 1M style front bumper. I've already messed it up quite a bit right here. Gotta get that repainted. I put spacers on it so it looks a little bit more flush and better fitment. Redid the headlights. I'm gonna have to redo them again because that product is not the best. I did the McGuire's. Carbon fiber lip, and the tailpipes. Swapped them out to some chrome tailpipes, but it's a stock exhaust. And then I also got a CATLESS downpipe. Oh yeah, front kidney grills. I changed them out from the chrome. I have a engine intake, upgraded charge pipe, the FRTP, I believe that's what it is, and then downpipe back somewhere back there, and it's the N55. I did the CTS oil cap and the Muscleman oil filter housing, which looks pretty damn nice in the engine bay. Oh, and also removed the cowl and put the filters back there just to make it look a little bit nicer when I open the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little startup without the rear audio. Turn off the music. But yeah, she's good right now. I have it on stage 2. not stage 2 plus. I believe I said that in the last portion. That was yesterday. I'm sorry, I forget things. I have the MHD app to monitor. Car just started up, so the oil pressure is very high. Let's see what codes we have, because oxygen sensor line disconnected, and power management standby. Nothing crazy. I like to check it every time I get in the car and drive around, just because I don't know if there's something new in there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy some things, and then I'm gonna hook up the car to the external mic so we can do some POV driving with some nice quality, crisp exhaust audio. Let's see what we get. Poppy's coming with us, right, mommy? Alright, so I just got back from the store, got some groceries and stuff. I just want to show you guys how I'm going to be able to get this exhaust audio. I actually got this from one of my friends who had it. I bought it for like 40 bucks off of him, or 20 bucks. He just had it laying around, never used it. So I got it off of him. So I connected it to this extension. It's a 6-foot aux extension cable, and then I routed it through the seat back here all the way to the front. And then I'm using my old iPhone, and I got the lightning to auxiliary jack here, and then I have this TRS to TTRS cable for audio recording. This is the one that came with the Rode mic, so I believe this is the TRRS portion of it that has 3 black lines. Oops. And I think for some reason it only works if I connect that 3 black line to the lightning, and then this one is the TRS, I believe. I'm not completely sure. Don't kill me in the comments if you guys know the difference, and that's not it. But yeah, I plugged that into here, and then I can go on my phone and go to voice memos. And right now you don't hear anything, or you don't see any noise, because I'm not recording off the phone. It's picking up the audio from the rear in the microphone. So what I'm going to do is just tape this. Let me stop that recording, I'll delete that later. So what I'm going to do is just find a nice spot here. I'm going to set it pretty far away from the exhaust, because I set it here the other day to test it out, and when I get into it and I'm high RPMs, it gets pretty loud. So I'm gonna go ahead, don't leave the tape out there, just close it onto it, and I'm gonna go ahead and tape it right there. Alright, so I've masked this off here with some masking tape. I'm gonna go and try and get some pictures of the car while there's still some sunlight. But we'll go for a quick little drive. Very simple stuff. I've seen a lot of tutorial videos on how to do this, and to get the best quality you want to get more equipment for it, but this is all I have right now, and I'm not trying to spend a shit ton of money on gear that I'm only going to use every once in a while. Masking tape is not the best option for this, but put a shit ton of it. Hopefully it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Kind of stands out a lot, but if you go over here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, start recording, and then we can either make a loud noise, clap in the back to, you know, synchronize the audio later. You can do that. And then right here, should be able to see, well, you can see it later, but that's recording. Now you can start the car up. And that's there. Alright, here we are. I got some nice ass photos. I'll try to edit them and throw them in the screen right now, so you guys can see what I got, kinda. And then we are here. So, boop, started recording. We can sync that later. But now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a few revs. I've noticed that it's better if I put it in neutral. That happens for some reason. What? That actually has never happened before. Alright. That was weird. Well, you put it in neutral, put it, and then you can actually put it in sport mode. And I'll go ahead and give it a few revs. Hopefully this is picking that up. Go. Through Old San Juan, get to El Morro, and then turn around. GoPro's not as hot as it was before. I'm in Condado right now. So we're gonna do part 2. Just gonna drive back. There shouldn't be any traffic. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and a comment if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these. I'd be happy to. And maybe I can get some other cars involved. Can hook this up to my friends' cars or whatever. If there's any car you have in mind that's not like an exotic car I can't get access to, then let me know. Maybe we can hook one up and get some different audios. Anyways, that's it for the video. Have a good day. Peace.